Good morning, everyone. This is a little extended family. Cockatiels. You can see the fledgling stretching itself and its mama caressing it, pecking it. The father is in the nest. So on the left hand side is the chick. This is the fledgling. You can see the feathers are yet to come out, and back of that you can see the mom. The mom is on the left now. They're very friendly birds. If you whistle, they whistle back. If you talk, they talk back. Need not be hand fit always, yet they are very friendly. See, the fledgling is not scared, even though I'm capturing it through video and whistling. The fledgling is not scared at all. It's stretching itself, looking so cute. And its sibling is resting here. It came down just today. As you can see, it's resting, it's sleeping. It just woke up. Its feathers are yet to come out. Teeny weeny one. My dad takes good care of them. As you can see, calcium is over there. Thereafter, Bengal gram and wheat germ and mixed seeds here. The little one is looking at me, and the mom is coming down, possibly trying to fetch its kid, or might be trying to feed her. She's a little scared because I'm sitting. She's feeding, as you can see. Such a beautiful sight. Just see. See, the birds are not scared of us at all. Yeah, it's stretching itself. The fledgling is stretching itself. And the mama, I will not disturb it now. I'll go away. The mama wanted to feed it. So I'll just move and end the video as of today. Thanks so much. Thanks, viewers. Love you all. God bless you. See, the mama is coming to eat. Possibly it's eat and then feed its fledgling. So bye for now. Bye, viewers. Bye, everyone. God bless you all.